Guess what's finally working again? Oh, that's so dodgy. Yeah, the logic on this is stuffed.
Lower ground floor.
How long until the thing breaks again? Oh god. Not long it seems. Look at that door. That door's horrendous. That door I'm afraid was only replaced a few months ago as well.
Ground floor.
Look at the state of those wires. It looks better than it did before, that's for sure. Oh, it used to look horrible. Watch this door close again.
Lower ground floor.
Watch this door. It shakes the whole cab. I actually don't feel very safe in this thing, to be honest.
Upper ground floor.
One more ride. Don't break down now, please. Would surprise me, to be honest.
Lower ground floor.
Let's watch this door close again.